No, I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, although I don't ever slow up. No, I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll show up.
I don't ever slow up. No, I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up. No, I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this,
Hi guys, welcome to the first episode of MD's Exclusive Pistons. Today, I'm going to tell you about what I do. So, I am into motorsports in the last 5-6 years. I've been into motorsport industry. I opened up a superbike showroom on Palm Beach called as Dream Bikes Palm Beach. As many of you all know, that showroom that I owned. I was into the selling of pre-owned superbikes and brand new Suzuki superbikes. Now, what I do is sell pre-owned luxury cars, high-end cars, supercars, superbikes, everything related to the motorsport industry. And as you all know that I'm very passionate about racing, I'm passionate about cars, passionate about bikes, and passionate about the motorsport culture altogether. So here I'm trying to put up what I do in the motorsport industry up to you guys on YouTube. So today we're shooting the Audi R8 V10 Plus for you guys.
every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that, spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that
India's most loved supercar, as it is called, the Audi R8. This is the last generation that was there by Audi India, the V10 Plus that we are sitting in right now. It's got a FI full system exhaust, a stage 1 tune, and got a Pops and Banks tune. Does pretty good, 0 to 100. And this exact car has won Ambi Valley first prize for the fastest car last year. This is the very same car that did the drags at Ambi Valley and got the first prize for the fastest car in its segment. And today we're shooting this, just showing you how it feels in an R8 V10 Plus. What is it driving an R8 V10 Plus as a daily drive? That we'll speak to the owner.
a reflection of the emptiness, hilarious. You think you're worth my time, you're delirious, mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior, inferior. You know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off.
Come along. We've got some CF diffuser here, as you can see. These are 19-inch rims, smaller size for India, and these are 1 inch smaller than the ones you get in Germany, US and everything, just because of the road conditions here in India. This is again a CF mirror, a CF fuel tank, and now all these things that you see, these are fuel marks. These are fuel marks because we stay in New Bombay. We don't find 97 or 100 octane easily around here. So what me and Rishabh do usually for our cars, we send jerry cans. We get 95, 97 or 100 octane from some pump far away. We get it to our home. We fill it with the jerry can with some pipes and everything, and that's how we've got fuel marks. Nothing to worry about. Nothing is on the paint. Everything is on the PPF. The car is protected by a PPF paint protection film. This is a V10 Plus, the holy moly V10 Plus. Roughly making about 650 horsepower on the wheel with the stage 1 tune and the FI full system exhaust. The CF wing comes with the car. The CF package, everything is the V10 Plus package that you see. It's got a quad exhaust system. It's got a CF diffuser. Pretty good looking CF. This car is not a regular car at all. This is a proper performance supercar that he daily drives. Stays in Navi Mumbai, blessed to have these roads around here. Here they are standing. This is Mr. Rishabh Shah, the owner that you all know, Mr. Rishi Lil Stark. That's Hamza for you guys, and that's Jerry. All of us shooting.
Be a bit superior, get off of me. This ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains that last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last. Yeah, Now that I've been put through hell, I never got it.
So guys, this is what happens in India when you shoot supercars. You see people parking. It's inside, bro. The keys are inside. You see people parking their cars in the middle of the road just to see some of the Audi R8, as you can see.
Now that I've been put through hell,
His father.
I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
We have an open stretch. Let's do this. It's just effortless, guys. It's just effortless. It doesn't take a single effort to throw itself ahead. Just go and do what it does the best. Zero efforts to do what it does. Like, that's what a car is all about. Like, pretty much that is all it is all about. Keeps you grounded, keeps you with the road. The driving feel, the driving pleasure of this car is just unexplainable. I have no words to explain of what I feel driving this right now, to be very honest. I daily drive my tuned cars every day. My Laura is a stage 2 plus, and it's got the spark plugs and ignition coils from an Audi R8. So I daily drive that. That's my daily driver. But I'm pretty sure as soon as I'm going to sit in my Laura's going to feel like a Maruti, to be very honest. After driving a V10, nothing's going to feel the same. So we kind of done shooting for the first vlog with the R8, and we're going to continue shooting some more content for this first vlog for you guys. So we have a drive tonight. We have my boys behind. We have Osama. So this is Osama officially. Introduction for the first time. This is Osama for you guys. This is Jerry. Say hi to Jerry. Hi. Say hi to Hamza. Hi, this is Hamza. So Hamza is gonna be the baller of the vlog and not me.
One eternity later.
Gang lined up, we're heading out. Let's see you on the road.
I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that, spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains.
This is Sandeep and Sandeep's Polo right here. We're going to talk about on the vlog. Let's meet Mr. Latesh Shetty. We have Mr. Latesh Shetty here. LSD! Latesh Shetty Dada. Mr. Lucky Paji on the vlog with us.
Welcome to your YouTube channel.
Thank you. Again, Mr. Rishabh Shah.
Yo.
And we have Mr. Aditya Raj. This is all for today. Thank you. So bye guys.
Bye.
Bye. जा रहे हैं,
फिर
पक्का
आया,
जा रहे
पैसे
हैं।
डालते रहे।
सस्ते में मिली है, ज़्यादा नहीं, बस 1,60,00,000 खर्चा किया, सस्ते में आ गई तो हमने ये गाड़ी ली।